What happens if you plank for 1 minute daily? Well, get ready to be amazed. In this video, we're diving deep into the transformative effects of planking for just 1 minute daily. So keep watching to discover what happens when you make planking a daily habit. Planking is a simple yet effective exercise that can have a major impact on your health and fitness. It requires no equipment and can be done anywhere or anytime. It is ideal for those with busy lives or don't have the time to go to the gym. If you're new to planking, start with just 30 seconds and gradually increase the amount of time you hold the plank. Here are some of the specific benefits of planking for 1 minute daily. Number 1. Strengthen your core. Planking for just 1 minute every day can work wonders for your core muscles. As you hold your body parallel to the ground, your abs, lower back, and obliques engage to maintain stability and balance. This continuous strain gradually strengthens your core, leading to improved posture, stability, and even enhanced athletic performance. Number 2. Enhance full body stability. Planking not only targets your midsection but also engages other muscle groups. Your shoulders, arms, and leg muscles work together to maintain a balanced position throughout the exercise. As you get stronger at planking, you'll notice improvements in other exercises, leading to enhanced strength in compound lifts like squats and deadlifts. You'll witness increased muscle endurance and improved coordination in your day-to-day activities. Number 3. Burn calories and boost metabolism. Looking to shed a few extra pounds? Planking can be an effective tool in your weight loss journey. While it may seem like a relatively stationary exercise, planking activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to increased calorie burn. Additionally, consistent planking can boost your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories even when at rest. So, get ready to unlock that fat-burning potential. Number 4. Improve flexibility. Planks may not be known for their flexibility benefits, but they can surprise you. As you hold your body in the plank position, various muscle groups are stretched and extended. This leads to improved flexibility in major areas such as your shoulders, hamstrings, and even your toes. Incorporating a brief stretching routine before and after your planking session can further promote flexibility gains. Number 5. Defines your abs and benefits you mentally. Planking is a simple exercise that can help define your abs. It works all of the core muscles including the rectus abdominis, the transverse abdominis, and the obliques. Plank exercises have a positive impact on your nerves, reducing stress and tension in the body. Seeing results from your workouts can boost your confidence. This contributes to an improved mood, making planking an excellent method for alleviating anxiety and depression symptoms. So, will you start incorporating planks into your routine? Share your results after a month of regular planking, and feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to like and share it to your friends, and subscribe if you're interested with videos like this. Until next time, stay healthy and keep planking.